Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video, we're looking at the best curbside deals at Walgreens, meaning you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, hitting the box on the green with the green check on the left-hand side, paying for it, and then driving to the store, and that is lovingly known as your curbside pickup. Merchandise is just a little bit cheaper, and a lot of people prefer to shop this way. Alternatively, if you are more into the register rewards, shopping in store, seeing what they have, I recommend you watch yesterday's video. I have a bunch of matchups and magic. I will link this video at the very end if you wish to watch it. If you guys could do me a huge kindness before we get into it, if you could please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. It really helps out myself and the channel in this video. If you could just take a second and like the video, thank you so much in advance, guys. Okay, so this is actually stacking the 15 back when you buy 15 back when you spend 45 on P&G Olay products, very specific P&G products, and the bottom one, 10 back when you spend 45. On your $45 basket, it'll be 25 back. The second booster that we have that is both in-store and online is for Halloween items. That is the fine detail, so pause this if you wish to read it. Halloween only. While we are curbside shopping, extra 15% off a $35 purchase with AUG 15, extra 20 for a $50 purchase with AUG 20. So both of these codes excellent with the larger baskets that we're going to be looking at. Okay, so the first couple deals are just basic baskets. The last one's going to be a double stack of the two boosters. The first one is to get two of the secret. It's like a brick deodorant, the Ladies Aluminum. We have a $3 and a $1.05 digital coupon. So we can't use the 5 off 3 since we're not picking up 3 of them because it would be way too much out of pocket. And this is on a promotion of buy 4, get back an $8 in Walgreens cash. And it's also working with the Old Spice. And we have a 5 off of 2 for this one. So it's a smidge bit better. And you know, I would try and get a receipt for this one too in case there might be an IBOTTA rebate. So ask the cashier to process it through a regular register so you get a physical receipt. Now, just to show you, Secret, Old Spice, and then $1.05 extra for another Secret. So not a bad little stack of coupons. Using the code WAG10 would not apply to this. $25.61, $9.05 in digitals melting off. $18.10. If you wish to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it. You're paying $8.10 and getting back $8. So it basically makes it, with tax included, like $2.50 per deodorant, which is a very good price point. Okay, now we're looking at deal number 2. For this one, we are going to be grabbing 2 of the L'Oreal Paris mascaras. We have a 7 off 2 and a 2 off 2 store coupon. This mascara was always $10.99. It's jumped $1 if you're paying attention. I certainly am. And then the L'Oreal Paris are 2 for $10. We have a 3 off 2 manufacturer and a 3 off 2 store coupon. Load both of them. Apologies, I'm not showing all the digital coupons. I'm just trying to make this video at a faster pace. The L'Oreal Paris Collagen, $11.99. And we also have another $5 digital that is attaching. And just to be extra, we're going to throw in 3 of these Kit Kat candy bars that are $1 each and 1.5 ounces. That's not the king size, is it, guys? Let me know in the comments down below. I never really buy candy. This guy will be 3. And then just to show you, $2, AUG 15 taking $3.45 off, $5, $7. This is quite the course line of coupons and magic. And we have another $3 off and then another $3 off. So that is pretty amazing. And then that AUG 15 is a real gift to take another like $3 and some change off. The overall basket is $42.97, $8.45 coming off in various promotions and codes, $15 in manufacturers. So the total here is $21.44. If you have $20 in Walgreens cash, use it and pay $1.44. This is a lot of beauty, skincare, the greatest of L'Oreal, and a little bit of candy on the side. So I think this is a very reasonable and smart basket in my book. I do love this one. Okay, the next one we're looking at is deal number 3. This one, we are going to be going full tilt with the Doritos and Lays. These are the larger bags. They're the 9.25 ounce. I think it's the larger bags at the stores. And they're $2.99 this week. Like, that is a really good price point. In the nacho cheese or Cool Ranch. So I'm throwing 4 of them into a cart for $11.96. And you can end it right there. But the Lay's chips are also a similar price point. Just to show you guys, 4 bags of the Lays is $11.96, and you can go with whatever flavor you wish. It's not like the Doritos where there's only a handful of flavors. Like, I think there's barbecue, sour cream, the whole gamut. I just went with classic. If you're hosting a Labor Day cookout or a party before the end of the summer, 8 bags of chips. I mean, this is a no-brainer for this one. Yes, you can use the code WAG10 for an additional $2.39 off. And who doesn't like chips as a snack or the Doritos as a snack? I love Cool Ranch Doritos. I'm always saying that. So the overall total here is $23.92. $2.39 melting off, so the total is $21.53. If you might have $20 in Walgreens cash, I would use it, considering like a larger bag of these chips at Walmart's like almost $5 or $6. I think this is the week to stock up if you are a big chip fan. Okay, so the final deal that we're looking at is these two. The top one is to earn 15 when you spend 45 on P&G Olay products, specifically the Olay products, but only certain ones, because like body wash is not part of this. Pairing it with a 10 back when you spend 45. So you're going to get a $45 basket on Olay and get back $25. Do not like what I'm picking. If you look for any of this Olay skincare and you see this earn 15 in Walgreens cash when you spend 45, you know you're in business. And yes, you can use those discount codes in concert with this. So for this one, I thought, let's go really, really big. Let's go big. We're going to grab 2 of these really large Olay skincares, whichever ones you want to grab. My store limits them 1 per transaction. I think it's because it's such a high value item, but whatever you want. And you know, we don't often get to really treat ourselves with these really nice skincare creams. We have a 10 off 2 digital coupon as well, so make sure you load that, and we're certainly going to use a coupon code here, so brace yourselves because it's like $10 extra of savings. Look at this. Using the code AUG20, $10 coming off, and then our friend, which is the 10 off of 2. The overall total is $59.98. Subtracting that promo code, we're still at $49.98. So for the spend 45, earn back 15 or 10, you've achieved it. The manufacturer is a $10 off, so you're going to pay $42.98 with your debit card and get back $25.59. If you're not factoring in the tax, after your Walgreens cash, it's like $14.98 for the 2 or like $7.49 for these really fancy lotions. I think it's such a great deal. That's it for this video. If you want to watch yesterday's video, it's linked right here. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.